Track 35, Activity Book, Unit 2, Lesson 7. Listen and check your answers. How many points did you get? 1. What colour can ladybirds be?
Red, orange or yellow, often with black spots.
2. How many legs do ladybirds have?
They have 6 legs.
3. Can ladybirds fly?
Yes, they can.
4. Where do bees get nectar from?
From flowers.
5. What food do bees make from nectar?
They make honey.
6. What sound do bees make?
A buzz-buzz sound.
7. How many legs do spiders have?
They have 8 legs.
8. Are all spiders dangerous?
No. Some spiders are dangerous, but most are helpful.